Is your Epson ET-2803 not connecting to Wi-Fi, or are you setting it up for the very first time? Don't worry, the setup process may seem confusing with all the buttons, menus, and flashing indicators, but it's actually very simple when you follow the steps one by one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Epson ET-2803 printer to your wireless network using your smartphone. By the end of this guide, your printer will be connected to Wi-Fi and ready for wireless printing. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. First, power on your Epson ET-2803 printer and wait until it finishes starting up. On the printer's control panel, use the arrow buttons to highlight the Wi-Fi setup option, then press OK. When the Wi-Fi recommended option appears, press OK again to continue. Once the next screen is displayed, simply press OK to move to the next step. Next, select the Wi-Fi setup wizard by pressing OK. The printer will now begin searching for nearby wireless networks. When the list of available Wi-Fi networks appears, use the up and down arrow buttons to highlight your network name, then press OK. Now enter your Wi-Fi password using the arrow buttons, then confirm your entry to continue. After the connection is successful, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon appear on the printer's display, confirming that the printer is connected to your wireless network. The printer can now be added to your smartphone. In this demonstration, we'll use an iPhone. Open the Epson iPrint app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, you should see the ET-2800 series printer. Tap on it. If needed, tap the Home button in the top right corner again so the app can search for available printers. Once your Epson printer appears in the list, tap on it to select it. Next, choose the Keep Using Epson iPrint option. Finally, return to the app's home screen. Your Epson ET-2803 is now connected and ready to print wirelessly from your iPhone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Print Smart Help, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.